Christmas memories.
Hi everyone, it's so good to see you. My name is Dolores and I am the Baking Diva. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm always happy to see you and I appreciate your support. Well, today's going to be a short video. I am making for you a Weight Watcher treat. That's right. This you can use for breakfast. You can use it for dessert. You can use it for a snack, whatever you like. And best of all, it's 0 points on the Weight Watcher plan. That's right, 0 points and only 2 ingredients. So, what do you say we get started? Let's get started. All we need is a bowl, and I'm going to need for this recipe 2 bananas. So I'm going to peel my bananas, and with a fork, I am going to mash them in this bowl. When I first came upon this recipe, I said to myself, this is not going to work. But I made it, and it does work. So I wanted to share it with you. So take a fork, a regular fork. The riper the bananas, the better. These are sort of mediocre. And you're just going to smash them with your fork until you get them all mushy. So I will do that for you off camera, and then I will be right back and show you what we do next. I focused the camera on the bowl, you don't need to see me, and I mashed the bananas. The softer they are and the more ripe, the easier they are to mash, but these worked out fine. They really come out best just doing them with a fork. So these are all mashed. Now what am I going to add to this? We're going to add to this bowl 2 eggs. So here we go. Just drop them right in there. And don't make a mess, Dolores. And then I'm going to mix the eggs right in with the bananas. Easy, right? Now you look at this and you say to yourself, really? How is this going to make a banana souffle with just 2 eggs and 2 bananas? Well, we're going to try it and we're going to see. Now, if you have like little ramekins, you can use those. I don't happen to have any with me right now. So I'm just going to use probably 2 of these little Pyrex dishes. So let me mix this up a little bit more. Pretty easy, right? And when I heard 0 points, I was all in with this one. Okay. All right. Now I am going to pour half of it in each one of my bowls. So let's just put half in here. Okay. I'm going to put them in my microwave one at a time. Now I'm going to put this in my microwave for 3 minutes and then I'm going to test it. Should be like a spongy consistency and it should rise up a little bit. If it doesn't look like it's done, I'll just cook it for 1 more minute. So let me put this in the microwave and I'll be back when they're done to show you what they look like and to do a taste testing. So don't go away. Okay, it's taste testing time. Sure smells good. It's still a little warm, but I'm anxious to dig in. So let me see. It has a very sponge-like consistency. It's like a sponge cake, I would say. They call it a banana souffle. And you know, if you want to be fancy, you can slice up a few pieces of banana and put it on the top. That would be good. Even maybe do a little squirt of fat-free whipped cream or fat-free Cool Whip. Sounds good. So let me give this a taste. I think it's very good. It's spongy, but it's moist. You probably do not need the sugar on the top. You know, I put a little stevia on there. The cinnamon is good, but this is just enough to satisfy a sweet tooth, or if you just get an urge where you just feel like you need a snack, or for breakfast with a cup of coffee. I would be fine with this. So anyway, I'll put the recipe down below in the description box for you, but it's really just 2 bananas and 2 eggs. I did put this in the microwave for 3 minutes. I didn't feel it was done, so I did put it on another minute. So it was 4 minutes. So I hope you enjoyed this. Give it a try. Like I say, I would use little ramekin. You know, some of them are more narrow on the bottom and then they come up. And I bet it would just make a nicer presentation, but it doesn't matter. It still tastes the same. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. Give it a try. 0 points right across the Weight Watcher board, okay? So thanks for stopping by. If you enjoyed this, I do make all kinds of recipes. I make regular desserts, savory. I do Weight Watchers, keto, low carb. I do everything, and I even throw in a little bit of holidays and vacation just to keep the channel interesting. So, if you enjoyed this, hit the subscribe and the little bell and you won't miss what I have coming up next. And I do have some good ones. So, thanks for taking time out of your busy schedule to spend it with me. Love and appreciate all of you. I'm going to eat my banana souffle now, and I'll see you soon. Toodles!